Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to remove the green screen in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, bring the background clip into our V1 timeline track, and then bring the green screen clip, which is going to be our foreground clip, into our V2 timeline track. Now, select the green screen clip, and go to the Fusion page. Select the Media in 1 node, then press Shift plus space to bring up the Select Tool menu. From here, search for Chroma Keyer, then click Add. Now, click and drag over the green screen to remove it. Keep brushing over the green parts that are still visible. Next, go to the Image tab and change the spill color to green. Again, press Shift plus space, search for Despill, then click Add. Now we can see that the green areas are cleaned up. Once again, press Shift plus space, search for Matte Control, and click Add. From here, change the Combine mode to Combine Alpha and the Operation mode to Minimum. Now bring the Rectangle Mask into our node tree and connect it to the green input of the Matte Control node. Resize the Rectangle Mask in the viewer monitor, keeping the subject in the center. With the Matte Control node selected, check the Post Multiply Image option. Now bring the Matte Control node into our second viewer monitor. As we can see, the mask looks clean enough, but to ensure there's no noise in our mask, right-click on the second viewer monitor, go to Options, and uncheck the Checker Underlay. Right-click again, go to Options, and activate the Alpha Overlay. Now, in this black and white image, it's easier to spot any imperfections in our mask. With the Chroma Keyer node selected, drag on those parts. Go through the entire clip and remove the unwanted noise from our green screen. And now, go back to the Edit page, and as we can see, the green screen is completely removed. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Happy editing!